गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आज तारीख है 30 नवंबर, रात के बजे 8:30 और हम कर रहे हैं मार्केट के एनालिसिस। मार्केट का मोटा मोटा पूरा एनालिसिस हमने कल के वीडियो में आपके साथ डिस्कस कर लिया था। मार्केट अभी भी एक रेंज बाउंड मैटर में है, मतलब टाइम फ्रेम में है और आगे बढ़ा धीरे धीरे करके। लेकिन अगर आप इंडाइसिस की बात करें तो इंडाइसिस में कोई बड़ी रैली अभी आने की उम्मीद नहीं है। लेवल्स हमने ऑलरेडी आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रखे हैं, लेकिन स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक एक्शंस मार्केट में बहुत है। ठीक है, तो PSU बैंक्स और IT, ये तीन ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जिसमें हमें बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छे से मिल सकती हैं। तो हम एक काम करते हैं, आज NSE 500 स्टॉक्स को एक बार एनालाइज करेंगे और देखेंगे कि कहाँ पे कौन से स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं जो बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे रहे हैं आपको परचेज करने के लिए। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं IT की। देखिए, अगर आप विप्रो की बात करते हैं तो विप्रो कितने शानदार तरीके से मूव कर रहा है। इसमें बहुत बड़ा रनअप अभी बाकी है। ठीक है, 590 का रेट है और 742 द प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई, ये इजीली जा सकता है। ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें इसका रिट्रेसमेंट, इफ यू लुक एट द मूवमेंट ऑफ दिस चार्ट, इट इज नॉट दैट स्मूथ। डेली टाइम फ्रेम में इसमें रिट्रेसमेंट्स बहुत डीप आते हैं। ठीक है, तो आप इनको छोटी छोटी क्वांटिटीज में ऐड कर सकते हैं अपने पोर्टफोलियो में, एंड you can leave it for under 6 months, then only it can yield some result. Then Sartek, yes, this is the fresh breakout stock. If you look at the monthly time frame, it is following this candle, but we generally initiate a trade based on the weekly time frame, and this week the price has given the breakout of the previous swing high. Though its MACD has yet not given this buy signal, RSI still it needs some time to give a breakout. But yes, you can keep this in radar, or you can make some initial investments also. Say 10% of the money that you want to deploy in your stock. This is the HCL. As this is the stock that has rallied earlier. सबसे पहले इसी ने मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया और recently it gave a breakout signal, but there seems to be some divergence in the weekly time frame. This MACD is suggesting that it is losing momentum, and RSI is also doing the same. Last week में there is a fall with large volume. So though its monthly time frame is still intact, the large up move is still left in this stock, but we should be little cautious in this stock and need to deploy money only when there is fresh good movement. FL is the one which is technically structure wise looks great. The only concern is this MACD is still not suggesting that any great up move can happen without this to develop. So we can initiate a small investment. छोटी सी इन्वेस्टमेंट साथ we can increase. ठीक है, if you look at this Heikin-Ashi candlestick, we can wait for the previous swing high to break out of 1641, and then only we'll look for adding it in a big chunk. NV, yes, this is the other stock that great up move is still, but the story is same. Its weekly time frame is suggesting that it will need some more time to develop. Then is a persistent system और HCL, these are the two stocks that जिसमें correction आया ही नहीं, and they are moving in a swift one direction, so sort of divergences are being developing. So you can avoid these stocks at this point because the risk to reward ratio is not that favorable at this point in time. The stock which have corrected a lot and are making the rounding bottom type of structure, they only should look for adding at this juncture. Then is the E-Clerks. You can take this example. We added this stock in this breakout when the MACD was giving a breakout here, and since then, though this is the stock which gave large pullbacks, especially in this range, we did not exit this stock considering its good MACD structure and the volume build up here. So, and this is the stock which has rallied in a beautiful manner. ठीक है, तो we are still holding it, but it is not the time to make a fresh breakout. कोफोज में बहुत शानदार मूव आया है, बहुत ही शानदार. Had you been able to catch this stock at this point, you would have enjoyed this rally from 6300 to 8600. beautiful run. But if you ask me, though in the monthly time frame, it suggests that a very large up move is still left. काफी इसमें juice still left है. But considering its weekly time frame, it seems that it is little more stressed. The risk to reward ratio is not that great to add it in the portfolio. ठीक है? So we'll wait or look for the other stocks for a good opportunity. LTI mindset, no. FSL, FSL, no. Risk to reward ratio is not that convincing. India Mart Intermesh, clear cut, no. Emphasis, no. Then is this Cyan, fans do रही है. Monthly time frame is Tata Lexi, no. Birla Soft. If you look at the Birla Soft, this is the stock that is, you have to basically wait for this trend line to break. Though we have drawn this VWAP line, but as this stock is moving in a clear direction, so we can wait for this trend line to break. If we connect these top picks, we can wait for this trend line to break before making any fresh suggestion of adding in the portfolio. Unless it breaks this trend line, no clear cut up move can be expected. Okay? Let us remove all the previous indicators and drawings in the chart. Fine, good. That weekly chart is not that great. Based on monthly time frame, you can make the investments. आप मार्केट के इस पॉइंट पे जब पूरा मार्केट एक कंसोलिडेशन फेज में है, थोड़ा करेक्शन डाउन फेज में है, तो आपको सारे स्टॉक्स में अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलेगी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज इन पिकिंग द स्टॉक. We have to go actually a little bit fast, otherwise we'll not be able to cover all this. Sonata Software, this is the one stock where we have actually made up money. We bought it somewhere at 300 and sold it somewhere at this 698. तो अच्छा रहना पाया, but since then the stock has gone into consolidation phase and is actually consolidating in the symmetrical triangular pattern. So unless it breaks out in the upside direction, it will not be a buy. And I think for that, a lot of time is yet left. Tech Mahindra, yes, but weekly time frame is not that convincing. Oracle, okay. There is a clear loss of momentum in the weekly time frame. So it is suggesting that there will be a lot of volatility in this stock. Though the price is not falling, but the risk to reward ratio, this gave a breakout somewhere here in January 24, and since then the stock has rallied in a one side direction. Can you see it? So that's all for the IT. Let us what's the other sector? Media, metal, 1GC pharma. Let us see the pharma. We are having some good buy, good setup. Syngene International is the one example. This is good. The stock has given a breakout, but its daily time frame, if you're investing considering the monthly time frame, and with this as a stop loss, इसका stop loss कितना down होगा? Let me check. Suppose this is the price and this is the price, and if you take it, if you take 10% as a stop loss, you can make substantial money in this stock, Syngene International. As is, इसकी जो rally है, it is just started. The only concern is this: the MACD in the weekly time frame, it may take some more time to develop. ठीक है? Lupin, no. TV slap, yes, this one is good. But in comparison to the other IT stocks, there is still what is sure. We can buy this one, but not for the this 50 to 100% return, but 10 to 15% return or 25% return is can be possible in this stock. Sun Pharma, No. Strides Pharma? No. Wokhart. Wow. Structure-wise, Wokhart looks really great. Yes, one can look for adding in the portfolio. Suven Pharma? Captain Point. Very nice setup. Very, very nice setup. Let us make it this. If one of the stock that you want to add in the portfolio is the Captain Point, very nice. If you look at the, if you want to look at the financial of this stock, you can see from here. See, its CPS is going at the rate of 5% and the sales is going at the rate of 59%. Very nice. Very, very nice. So fundamental wise, it looks great. Polymedicure is the one you cannot hold based on the weekly time frame. But if you look at the monthly time frame, its movement is quite swift. Medicure. Mm-hmm. थोड़ा सा fast चलेंगे so that लॉरस लैब वाह 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 लॉरस लैब बहुत अच्छा सेटअप बना है and you should one should look for adding this stock as and when you get it जब मौका मिले इसको ऐड करिए with it retracement. This has actually broken out of the previous swing high. Ideally you should have got it at this when the price has gone out this लेकिन यहाँ तक क्या हो रहा था the volatility was really great but see its MACD has also gone above it's given मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रक्चर में लॉरस लैब चूंकि इसमें रिट्रेसमेंट्स बहुत हैं तो one can look for adding it in small chunks in the portfolio. Very nice. If you look at this chart, wow, this week में this is actually a breakout structure this week. शानदार 15% run up दिया. Very nice. If you look at the monthly time frame, very very nice. This is the breakout. ठीक है तो one can consider adding it in the portfolio. Lab का lab कुछ नहीं है. Eris Life Sciences. ठीक है, everything is great, but this is giving me a reason to reject this one. Not that convincing. Eris Life Savings monthly time frame good, weekly time frame good, daily time frame good. Everything is fine, but unless this develops, unless this gives me convincing model to add in the portfolio. Solar Active Pharma. Wow, wow, wow. Very, very nice. Again, this is the same concern area. The MACD needs some more time to make a mature judgment. But Solar Active Pharma is the one should consider adding in the portfolio. See, it has also broken out of this consolidation zone, so still a lot of juice is left. See, look at the price action here. Very, very nice. किसी को अगर ऐड करना है दिस इज द टॉप पिक इन द पोर्टफोलियो और ये आपको तभी मिलती है व्हेन यू स्कैन ऑल द 500 NSE स्टॉक्स ठीक है देन इज दिस फाइजर नो बायोकॉन नो ग्रैन्यूल्स डिशमैन कार्बो yes this one is also good this one carbo but structure wise the volatility is quite great in this stock आरती ड्रग्स में कुछ नहीं हो रहा. डॉक्टर रेड्डी नो. डॉक्टर गैम्बल. Garware, this one I have already added in the portfolio. Textile company में. Look at the volume build up in this month. It's really great. Page industry. Page industry. नहीं. Raymond's. Wellspan. Lux. Vardhaman. Then Alok Industries. Trident. Syngene International. We already discussed the pharma. So that's all for the day. We have analyzed textile, pharma, and IT sectors today. Na? We'll analyze the rest one tomorrow, and we'll upload it in the YouTube channel. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.